The GWC 3200 guardrail net welding production line, newly developed, designed, and produced by EJO Technology, consists of a blanking mechanism, a welding mechanism, a bending mechanism, a mesh pulling mechanism, and a manipulator stacking mechanism. The production efficiency of this production line can reach 70 to 80 pieces/min, and it can weld steel mesh with a diameter of 5.3 mm, 5.8 mm and a width of 3,200 mm. The welding machine has a total of 64 welding points, and the longitudinal reinforcement spacing is fixed at 50 mm, 55 mm, 60 mm, 61 mm, and 70 mm, but it can be customized according to customer needs. The spacing between crossbars can be interactively input through the screen, which can adapt to the needs of changing meshes of multiple specifications, greatly improving production efficiency and reducing labor costs.